Video intercom with the front door. You have a nice big closet here when you first enter. Tall and deep, quite large. This is your entrance foyer. Large chest of drawers for storage. Nice area here to put additional furniture. You have it. This is the owner's private closet, so that stays locked. To the right here, you have your living room. As you see, it gets really nice morning sunlight. Quite large. Desk, pull-out sofa. The living room does have doors with curtains behind it, so if you need some privacy in the living room for guests, hard to see through here, but there's our building's courtyard with tables, chairs, kids' toys. You have a little hallway that leads to the kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom. We'll start with the kitchen. Very nice, large eat-in kitchen. Tons of storage, gas range, and dishwasher. Cookware and plateware included. You have your bathroom, which also has additional storage underneath the sink, above the toilet, and a medicine cabinet. And the bedroom. Again, really nice sunlight coming through. On the corner, you don't share any walls. One large closet, very deep here. See how deep it is there. Storage all around the bed, and another chest of drawers, and the last closet. A little bit better view of our